Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Doing study at home. Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bajar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of GK. It means general knowledge. Okay. So today I will explain new chapter 8, natural and man-made things. Okay students, what's what the chapter is? The chapter 8, natural and man-made things. So without time wasting, take out your GK book Discovery. Okay, take out your GK book, it means Discovery. Open chapter 8. In chapter 8, natural and man-made things. Chapter 8, natural and man-made things. So let's start the chapter. Things that are already found in nature are called natural things. Things that are made by use are called man-made things. Okay? Natural things, that basic understanding of natural things is things that exist or occur in nature and have not been made or not caused by people. These are things that are produced by nature. Natural things are gift of nature because human beings cannot make these things. Natural things that are like this: trees, sun, moon, stone, air, water, human, planet, earth, and animals. Okay students, is that clear? So do you know students natural things? Trees, sun, moon, stones, air, water, humans and animals, earth and planet. All things are natural things. Is that clear students? Then after that, man-made things. Do you know students man-made things? The definition of man-made things refer the something that was created by human as opposite to by God or nature. An example of man-made is a like that was dug by a company using machines of a man-made is an artificial fiber used to make pipe of fabric made are man-made things. Like that, man-made things like that chair, books, houses, roads are man-made things. Is that clear students? Man-made things are chair, books, copies, lunch box, water bottle, table, desk, blackboard, door, roads, houses and etc. are man-made things. Is that clear students? Right here, write N for right, N for natural and M for man-made things. Do you know students? N for natural and M for man-made things. Write in the box. So first you look at the picture all students. first all of you look at the pictures and identify the man-made things or natural things. So like that, write here box man-made things or write your letter M, or after that natural things or write your letter N in the circle. Okay, so look at the picture. First picture is pencil. What is this? Pencil. Do you know, students? Pencil is the man-made things or natural things. So write the correct answer. Write in the circle M or N. Okay. So pencil is the man-made thing. So write here letter in the box M. Okay. Pencil is the man-made things. Is that clear, students? Now second one, mango. What is this? Mangoes. What is this? Mango. Do you know, students? Mango, natural things are man-made things. So write for letter M or N. So mango is the natural thing. So write here letter N. Write here letter N. Mango is the natural things. Okay, students. Then after that, third one, what is this? Cotton. What is this? Cotton. So first one, identify the pictures. Natural things are man-made things. Write your letter M or N. Okay. So cotton is the natural things. Cotton is the natural things. So write your letter N. Write here letter N. Is that clear, students? After that, next picture, fourth one, sun. What is this? Sun. Do you know, students? Sun is the natural things or man-made things? Sun, natural things. So write here letter N. Write here letter N in the circle. Is that clear? After that, fifth one, what is this? Glue stick. What is this? Glue stick. So do you know, students? Glue stick, man-made things are natural things. So glue stick, man-made things. So write here letter M. Write here letter M. Is that clear, students? Now sixth one. What is this? Coffee. What is this? Coffee. Coffee, man-made things are natural things. Man-made things. So made by hand. Is that clear? So coffee is the man-made things. So write for letter M. Okay, is that clear, student? Now seventh one. Look at the picture and seventh one. Look at the picture and seventh one. Seventh one, match. What is this? Match is the natural things are man-made things. Write your letter M or N. So write your letter N. Why? Match is a natural things. Okay. So write for letter N. Is that clear, students? Now eighth one. What is this? Stone. What is this? Stone. Do you know, students? Stone is the man-made things or natural things. Identify and write here letter M or N. So write down letter N. That is a natural things. Write here letter N. Stone, natural things. Okay. After that, ninth one. What is this? Water bottle. What is this? Water bottle. So students, do you know water bottle is man-made things or natural things? So write for letter M or N. Bottle is the man-made things. Bottle is the man-made things. So write for letter M. Write for letter N. Okay students, is that clear students? So once again, summarize all the pictures one by one with spelling. So first one, what is this first picture? Pencil. Do you know students spelling of pencil? Pencil. Pencil. Okay, now second one, mango. So what is the spelling of mango? Mango. Mango. Once again, spelling of mango. 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 Is that clear? Now third one, what is this? Cotton. What is this? Cotton. Do you know spelling of cotton? Yes, spelling of cotton. 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 Okay, is that clear? Now next one. What is this? Sun. What is the sun? Sun is the natural things. Okay, sun is the natural things. So spelling of sun, S-U-N, sun. Once again repeated I. Spelling of sun, S-U-N, sun. Okay. Sun gives us light and energy. Okay. Now fifth one, glue stick. Now fifth one, glue stick. So spelling of glue stick, G-L-U-E, G-L-U, glue, G-L-U, glue, S-T-I-K, stick, glue stick. What is the work of glue stick? So maintain your books and copies or paste. Okay, after that paste the chart paper and diagrams. Is that clear? After that, sixth one, what is the sixth one? Coffee. Sixth one, coffee. Spelling of coffee, C-O-F-F-E, coffee. Now seventh one, mice. Now seventh one, mice. Spelling of mice, M-A-I-Z-E, mice. Okay. Now eighth one, stones. Now eighth one, stones. Spelling of stones, S-T-O-N-E, stone. Now ninth one, bottle. Spelling of bottle, B-U-T-T-L-E, bottle. Okay students, first one is students, complete the book. Write for letter natural for N and man-made for write your letter M. Okay, is that clear student? But all the pictures identify and learn the spelling. Okay, like that pencil, mango, cotton, sun, glue stick, coffee, mice, stone and bottle. Is that clear students? All the pictures and identify, write for natural N letter and man-made things write for letter M. Okay students, is that clear? and learn them spelling. Okay, thank you. Bye and take care, students.